Earthbondhon, electrical and electronic engineering. Any question write in the comment box. More update please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. Hi everybody, today I will share about logic gates. OR gate by Earthbondhon. How they work today I am going to explain. OR gate circuit diagram drawing. Input A, input B. Output Y light. OR gate symbol. OR gate truth table. OR gate input A 0. OR gate input B 0. OR gate output Y 0. Power supply. Positive signal. Negative signal. 0 or false, 1 or true. Input A switch shown as open, input B switch shown as open, output Y as false or light off. Input A switch shown as open, input B switch shown as closed, output Y as true or light on. Input A switch shown as closed, input B switch shown as open, output Y as true or light on. Input A switch shown as closed, input B switch shown as closed, output Y as true or light on. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.